Hey guys, welcome to RPA Feed, and in today's session, we will be looking at new features that are available in Automation 360 version 23. So let's get started. In this video, we will be discussing about 5 features, but these are not limited to 5. There are many such features available as part of V23 release. But in this video, we'll be discussing about 5 features. First is autosave functionality in the bot editor. Then we have enhancement to the number package. We have new credential package, and there's some enhancement to file conditions in if package. And then we will discuss about the enhancement to the Excel advanced package. Remember, this release requires you to update your bot agent. You need to update your bot agent to use the features of A360. So with autosave functionality, there are limited. This functionality is limited to certain actions as of now. Not all the packages or all events support this autosave functionality, but there are certain actions or certain events, I would say, they support your autosave functionality. So in the image you can see we have unsaved status of the bot, and then it get converted into saved. So this is autosave functionality. So the autosave functionality is currently only available for specific events. So in recorder package it's available. If you use recorder package and you do not save your bot manually, it will be auto saved. In variable manager, while deleting variables and while changing the bot name. So there are a few more, but these are the main one that supports auto save functionality. And then moving on to next, enhancement to number package. There are 2 enhancements done to the number package. Both are minor one. So now you can specify and limit the number of decimal digits. Earlier this option was not available, and the save the text has been changed. Like save the outcome to a number variable is now renamed as save the outcome to a variable. As you can see in the screenshot, on my left hand side we have the options specify number of decimals. So herein you can specify how many decimals you want to take into consideration while setting the range and ending the range, while giving a specific decimal range, and save the outcome to a variable. So this is the one. Let's move to the bot editor window, and herein you can see I have created feature wise steps. So first step is autosave functionality, so that we have already seen. Now let me show you the number package. The next feature which we discussed was about specifying the number of decimals. This option was not available earlier, and this text was changed. Okay. Then the third feature is related to credentials. So there is a new package called Credential package. Let's move to third. New credential package we have. Now you can use assign action from the credential package to assign a insecure string or a variable to your credential type of variable. So this is how you assign. You can either assign insecure string credential value from the credential locker and save your results to the variable. Let's navigate to the bot editor and see this in action. So here you get 3 options. You can either pick a credential locker and assign this data to your variable, and or you can set a variable directly, or you can use insecure string and create a variable to hold the value. So this assign action was not available. In fact, the credential package itself is a new package in this version. Now next is, let's again move to the slides. Enhancement to file condition in if package. So if package, you can now use the file extension condition to check the extension of the file that you have provided. Suppose you're passing on Excel file, PDF file, or any other HTML file or something like that. So based on the extensions, you can do a comparison, and the comparison results you true or false. like if the extension, like for example in my left pane, if you can see, we have passed .pdf file. So and in the target value we are comparing with the pdf extension. Remember to include that extension without a dot. So if that is a match, it will return true. So you can determine your next set of actions, like if the extension was pdf, what to do, or if the extension was xls, what you can do. So something like that, you can do that, right? And let me show this in action here in the bot editor. So this is how you can drag and drop if file action, and in the condition you can specify the file path. This can also be variablized, and here you have inset or not inset operator, which you can use to specify the file extension you want to compare with. Now the next one is enhancement to Excel Advanced package. So in Excel Advanced package, you have an open action, right? Open action was only used to support limited file extensions. Now you have a support for these many file extensions. Like using open action, now you can open these many files, .ods, .html, .mht, right, .pdf. So these all the files you can now open using open action of Excel Advanced package. So this is what it is shown in the screenshot on your left, on my left hand side. So we are here opening again PDF file in Excel Advanced open action. This is the same example that I have used. These are the 5 features that we have tried to explain in this video. Hope you liked the video, enjoyed the video. In case you do, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.